In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color code Outlook emails. Color coding your emails in Outlook is a simple way to stay organized and quickly spot important messages at a glance. If your inbox gets busy, using categories with different colors can help you separate personal emails, work messages, follow-ups, or anything else you want to identify faster. Once you get used to it, this can save you time every day. To get started, open Outlook on your computer and make sure you're on the main home screen. From there, click on Mail so you're viewing your inbox and your list of messages. This is where you'll be able to find the email you want to label with a color. Next, locate the specific email you want to organize. You can scroll through your inbox manually, or if you have a lot of messages, take a moment to look carefully so you choose the correct one. Color coding is most useful when applied consistently, so it helps to think about what each color means before you start. For example, you may want one color for urgent emails, another for completed tasks, and another for messages you need to reply to later. Once you've found the email, right-click on it to open the Options menu. In that menu, look for Categorize. When you move over or click that option, Outlook will show you a list of available category colors. From there, simply select the specific color you prefer for that email. As soon as you click the color, Outlook will apply it to the message. You should then see that category color associated with the email, making it easier to identify in your inbox. This is especially helpful if you regularly sort through a large number of messages and want a visual system that's quick and easy to understand. If you plan to use color coding often, try to keep your system simple and consistent. Using too many colors can make your inbox feel more confusing instead of more organized. A small set of clearly defined categories usually works best, and that's all there is to it. Open Outlook, go to Mail, find the email you want, right-click it, choose Categorize, and select the color that works for you. It's a fast and effective way to make your inbox easier to manage and your important emails easier to spot.